In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add podcasts to Wix website. To begin, open your website in the Wix editor. This is where you will make all the changes to your site and add the podcast player. Once the editor is fully loaded, take a moment to make sure you are on the page where you want the podcast to appear. This helps you place the player in the right section from the start and saves time during setup. Next, go to the left sidebar and click the plus icon, which is the Add Elements button. This area gives you access to different features and content blocks that you can insert into your Wix site. After that, click on Apps and use the search bar to look for podcast. Wix may show a few app options, so focus on choosing a dedicated podcast app that is designed to display and play podcast episodes directly on your website. Once you find a suitable option, such as a Wix podcast player or another similar podcast app, click Add to Site. Wix will place the app onto your page, and from there you can move it into the position that fits your layout best. It is a good idea to place it somewhere easy for visitors to see, especially if the podcast is an important part of your content. After the app has been added, click directly on it and open the Settings menu. This is where you will connect your podcast to the player. You will be asked to enter your RSS feed URL. The RSS feed is what allows the player to pull in your podcast episodes, titles, and other details automatically. Be careful to paste the correct feed so the player displays the right content. Once your podcast is connected, stay in the Settings menu to customize the player. You can usually adjust the design, layout, and color scheme so it matches the style of your website. This is an important step because a player that blends well with your branding will look more polished and professional. Keep the design clean and easy to read so visitors can quickly find and play your episodes. When everything looks good and your podcast is displaying correctly, click Publish. This makes your changes live so visitors can access the podcast directly on your Wix website. That covers everything you need to know.